Continuing coverage tonight, we've got an update regarding this month's suspected dogfighting bust in Smith County. Now, the two men arrested for animal cruelty, they were scheduled to be in court this afternoon, but that hearing was abruptly canceled. And Fox 51's Ashlyn Anderson was there for that announcement. And Ashlyn, a lot of people say they were quite caught off guard in the courtroom this morning.
Yeah, Tyler, it was definitely a shock for everyone. Today's civil hearing was supposed to determine who would take over custody of the dozens of dogs rescued that day. However, 30 minutes before the hearing was supposed to begin, I found out, along with everyone else, that the two brothers, Michael and Carrie Jones, had already relinquished custody of the dogs to the county, which in turn canceled the hearing.
I'm kind of upset that today's was done behind closed doors. I think it should have been public.
Sonia Scarborough of Tyler was just one of many community members upset the public hearing determining custody of the dozens of dogs rescued from a suspected dogfighting ring was canceled just 45 minutes before it was scheduled to begin.
The owners of the dogs agreed to divest ownership of those animals and allow the state or the county to take ownership or possession of those dogs.
Civil Assistant District Attorney Thomas Wilson says this is common, but does not know why the two suspects, Michael and Carrie Jones, made the decision so close to the hearing.
Usually 90% of these cases, we do not have to have a hearing to award the animals to the state.
Now the nearly 60 dogs and 2 cats are awarded to the Smith County Animal Control.
I think that is wonderful, and that's what I've been praying for so much, for the dogs to be safe and the cats too.
The next steps are for the dog's behavior to be assessed for fosters and adoption.
I have been in contact with the Humane Society of the United States, specifically for your game-bred pits and dogs like that, to come do an evaluation on all the dogs that are here, to kind of see what the next step for them needs to be.
The Humane Society will pay for this caseworker to fly in from Florida to individually assess the health and behavior of the animals in the upcoming days, so they can soon go to their forever homes. Although a decision has been made regarding the custody of these dogs, the criminal portion of this case is still being actively investigated. Sheriff Smith telling us earlier this month they will continue to look in all leads and tracking down other people tied to this large operation. In studio, Ashlyn Anderson, Fox 51 News.